We got up close with the new VW T-Roc, which will welcome a strong hybrid powertrain this year. The 2026 T-Roc introduces a new look and hybrid powertrains for the first time, while maintaining the compact SUV's coupe-inspired profile, which helped it sell well over 2 million units. Here's what we found during our experience with the Euro-focused crossover alternative to the VW Golf. The 2026 T-Roc is 12 centimeters (4.7 inches) longer than before, offering improved legroom and a larger cargo area that now holds 475 liters, 16.8 cubic feet. Its design features a bold front end inspired by the ID family, with standard LED headlights and an available IQ.LIGH TLED matrix setup. A narrow light strip connects the headlights with the illuminated Volkswagen logo, while the rear gets a continuous LED light bar and illuminated VW badge. It builds on the design of the first-gen model, but looks sportier thanks to its strong character lines, gloss black trim pieces, and a bold front grille. Interior inside, the dash features new soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a 33-centimeter, 13-inch infotainment screen. A new head-up display and 14-way ergoActive seats with massage function are available. The cabin design borrows elements from the Tiggan and T-Roc, saving costs while matching the user experience of higher-segment models. Depending on the grade, features include the new Travel Assist with automatic lane change and predictive speed limit response, Park Assist Pro with smartphone-controlled automatic parking, head-up display, and Harman Kardon sound system. Experience in the next-gen T-Roc ingress in the VW T-Roc requires more effort than a Tiggan, but it is easier than stepping into a low hatchback such as the Golf. Once seated, the front seats provide good shoulder and back support, even for a 6-footer. The headrests are adjustable, helping even taller occupants find a driving position quickly. Headroom and shoulder support feel adequate, and the steering wheel offers a secure grip with a familiar Volkswagen feel. The center armrest provides limited adjustability, with a single-step height setting rather than a broader range. Outward visibility is acceptable, and a large dual-pane sunroof brings extra light into the cabin. With the front seat set for a 6-footer, rear entry is straightforward. Rear knee room is just adequate, and a size 12 shoe can slide largely under the front seat, improving foot space. Rear headroom remains workable for a 6-footer, but is a step below what the Euro-spec Tiggan offers. The rear bench provides good back support, but the backrest angle is upright and does not recline, limiting comfort for taller passengers on long road trips. Rear amenities include a foldable center armrest with integrated cup holders, rear air vents with climate controls, and USB ports for device charging. Outward visibility in the second row remains acceptable, supported by the well-designed side glass area. Specifications built on the updated MQB Evo platform, the 2026 T-Roc benefits from improved refinement thanks to additional body reinforcements and upgraded sound insulation. Powertrains, the T-Roc, is initially offered with two 48-volt mild hybrid turbocharged 1.5-liter engines producing 115 horsepower, 85 kilowatts, and 150 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, each paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Also in 2026, the two new 1.5-liter full hybrid engines with front-wheel drive and outputs of 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower, and 125 kilowatts, 170 horsepower, will complement the range. From Volkswagen's announcement on November 22, 2025, Volkswagen will add two newly developed full hybrid options, both front-wheel drive, followed by the range-topping T-Roc R. The lineup is structured into 4 versions: the base T-Roc, Life, Style, and R line. Price and release date. Positioned as a compact model for Europe, pricing in Germany starts at 30,845 euros, around 35,872 US dollars, for the 1.5 ETSI model. We don't expect the T-Roc to launch in the US and Canada, as the Taos already covers that segment for the Germans. A model designed primarily for Europe, without market-specific adaptations, would likely struggle to compete in this category. We've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like to support the channel.